Hi, it's Matt from Octane. I hope you're well. Here we are with our latest walk around video and our latest addition to stock. This fabulous Volkswagen Caddy 2-litre TDI Automatic 102 in pure grey. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Automatic gearbox, best colour. Got to be the best colour for one of these. Superb. So as always here at Octane, we've run through some enhancements, some slight improvements, etc. To give it the look it stands, but it's a beautiful low ownership van this. So let's get into the detail. 2-litre TDI DSG Automatic, as I say, 102. This van was registered in March 2018. It's had just one previous keeper. The keeper we bought it from, the family or the chap that had this has had it for 7.5 years. So he bought it when it was 10 months old. So he's done majority, if not all, of the miles in it. We believe it was a demo before that. So effectively, one owner from new, you could say. Stacks and stacks of service history, which will be on our website later today, but I'll run in a little bit more detail into that on the video as we go through the van. So a 2-litre TDI, 102 horsepower, reliable as it gets, automatic gearbox, 94,000 miles, one previous owner, immaculate service history, full history, absolutely full and on point. And it presents, it's never had any commercial use, this van. It was used as a go-to appointment vehicle, mainly just running around doing local work. It's just been loved and cherished from day one. It really has. We were lucky to find this, really, certainly with the automatic gearbox and the service history and the colour and everything else that goes with it. Full 12 months MOT, satellite navigation, rear parking sensors, air conditioning, cruise control, leather steering wheel, auto lights and rain sensors, heated front and rear screen. It's got a bulkhead. So what have we done to it? We've put the 18-inch brand new Spielberg wheels on it. So it comes with brand new wheels and brand new tyres. They're 18s. They drive better on 18s and ride better as well. Looks absolutely amazing on those. They're brand new, diamond cut, lovely finish wheels. 18-inch Spielbergs. We've got lowered suspension. As you can see how it sits, the stance is perfect. Looks really well. Front spoiler, low down there, as you can see, the black gloss front splitter. Looks really good. Makes it look amazing from the front. It's great down the side. So we've got the side skirts, as you can see, running down the side. Very nice down both sides. Look at the paintwork on this. It's absolutely beautiful. There's very few marks on this van. Very few marks indeed. Brand new wheels. Going around the rear, we've got twin doors. Really cool gloss black roof spoiler that we've added. And again, single sliding door to the near side. Looks really well. Let's have a look inside. There's a couple of small stone chips on the bonnet, as you can see, but original glass all the way through the vehicle. Original main dealer plates to the front and the rear. As you can see, all the stickers in all the right places as we move around the vehicle. It's got all the original Volkswagen commercial stickers. Been really well cared for, this van. Really well cared for. Hard to find in this condition with this spec. Look how good it is inside. Just remove that paper over mat. Really nice down the door shuts. All the stickers in all the right places. Leather steering wheel, cruise control. All the keys, auto lights, heated mirrors, central locking, air conditioning, satellite navigation, frosty cold air conditioning, and an automatic gearbox. But look at the trim. It's lovely. It's really nice. It's not bad at all. It's really nice under here, like new. Always have the overmats in it. Much the same down there. All the books, all the papers we've got with it. Like I say, really nice down the door shuts. It's just as good as it gets for this age of van. It's better than good. Original dealer plates. This is what we like. It's ply lined in the rear, Very, very light use. Like I say, it's been used mainly to travel to and from appointments, not for anything other than that. It's had very, very light use indeed. Very nice in the back, not bad at all. Where it wins is its general overall condition. It's really, really nice. These are super economical, lovely to drive, great colour. There we go, much the same in this side. Really, really nice in the footwell. The bigger stereo. We've got the USB connectors, so if you wanted to go down the Apple CarPlay or Android Audio route, you could. Single sliding door. And there you go. This is great, great looking van in the right colour, right provenance, right history, tons of papers with it. Had all the cam belts and water pump done as it should do, and on time. 94,000 miles. It's got with it. It had a major service and the DSG service. It's had that done twice in its life. The DSG service, that is, and it's had no less than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 services, plus the all important cam belt and water pump done in 22. So lovely little van. This drives superbly. It's as close to light new as you're going to get. Superb condition. Be great to show you around. Thank you for watching.